The painting mockup pack, which is completely free, comes with 5 PSD files. Here you could see the files, and then each of them will have screen section, or the painting section. Just double click on the smart object, add anything you want in here, just scale to the size, save it, and then that will be shown in here. So if you go here, you could see the painting complete. Here you could choose the color of this section, what it is, what you call the frame section. If you just want white, just disable this, but yeah, you could choose the frame color section if you feel like it. You could just move the painting however you want. If you want to have double paintings or triple, it's up to you. Just scale it down. If you want to just duplicate it, you will need some Photoshop skills. There's a gradient colors, so yeah, you could choose the background colors before showing gradient colors. I'll show the background colors. Here you just double click and choose whichever color you want at your background. Next thing, if you enable gradient colors, just disable this stuff. And here you could choose the gradients that I have set already, but it's up to you, whichever you like. You could also add your own gradient behind, so it's up to you. And then there's wall, this wall 1 and wall 2. So before that, let's just enable a background. So this is wall 1, wall 2, and it has some kind of this cracks if you want it. And the wall 1 is pretty simple, it's just plain, but it adds a depth or like reality to your image if you want this wall. And it's pretty rough, but it's not much visible. So there it is for this one at least. Next one, let's see the painting mode. And here you could do the same with the screens. There are same with the colors. There's the gradient colors and same with the walls. So it's up to you, but in the frame complete. If you want glass, just do it. I think every one of those have it. That is glass. If you want glass, you could enable or disable it. And then here you could see glass, frame, and then there's all these things, but I think you will only need to know this one, the frames, colors and stuff. It will have wood this stuff, whatever it is called, the frame I think. And then there's the painting 2. I've called it painting 2. So there it is. There's the frame color. If you want, just choose the frame color whichever suits your style. Same with the background colors. You see there's the gradient colors. All of this will have gradient, solid color and this wall, but the only difference is this section and the painting section, and also you could move it. And also the glass section will always be there. Next one, we have the same sections: wall, frame, wall, background color, gradients, the frame complete ones, the glass, the frame color, whichever suits your style. You could also drag one frame painting to like the other ones, and then scale it down, something like this. Create a frame wall. I accidentally added in the same section, so okay, now it can change, and you could just have a nice wall of paintings. It's up to you. Next one, also the same sections, and this one is there's nothing. So 1 2 3 4 5, those are the files you could get in this frame mockup, completely free on DM Visuals.